sure. Before you can bury it.
Every man do make a run for your wife and a friend.
You say you're born, you get a birth certificate, when you're dead, you get a death certificate.
When you're born, you get that death certificate.
And a birth
In
certificate
any
again.
institution, when you're going there, what them call you?
A body. A body. That man them receive a body. That man the real man.
Don't talk to you then, don't talk to you then.
That man, any institution you go in and them receive a body, that body them receive. Because you don't must come out back alive, so they make sure that body them receive.
Don't talk to you. So when you're born, you must come out of the hospital alive neither.
No, you're not institution same
You
way.
know, most congregants dead same way, just born out there and dead.
Institution same way. Dead service.
But you don't dead and you come out of the hospital and you come out alive.
Where
get a birth
is the
certificate.
biggest courthouse?
Repeat.
Where is the biggest courthouse?
The mag. Where?
Biggest courthouse at church. Where you gonna go do?
The prayer.
Give testimony. Anything you pay a testimony you give.
You say you go to church, you don't go to church, you pray, you go to church, you give testimony.
Testimony, talk about yourself. How you gonna pray about yourself? And beg God to yourself. And really,
That man, pray different from testimony, man.
I said,
Oh, pray different from testimony,
listen
man.
this.
Testimony when you tell Father
You
God.
have two, hold on,
You
hold on.
tell your church what you do.
Look where I beat you. You have two sides to you, though. You have one side where you can sit down and say, you don't know, and you don't need.
Yeah, and the next side
And
say,
the next side, physically, you just take it up and run, go down there and chop it up and kill it. Yeah? You look on the side. So the mental side now, and the side where you can in and you think about it. The physical side is when you go in front of the pastor and start saying, you know, say me usually thief on one corner. And yourself you talk about, brother. Talk about those them now. All of them tricky, psychology. You're the biggest psychology about church. They make you use your own amount till your ears all like them.
alright, hear me I say to you now. Hear me I say to you now. Hear me I say to you.
Yes.
Reality me I tell you about. I understand all what you are talking about, but hear me I say to you now. You see, a prayer is different from a testimony. A prayer is when you ask Father God for forgive you, or for help you, or for guide you and protect you. See? That's a prayer, that's how you
That's the
pray.
mental side.
See? That's how you pray.
That's the mental
But
side.
a testimony
No,
now.
man, that's the mental side. The man where you can't see. And you sit down and talk to him, you can't see.
Yeah.
The mental side.
Yeah.
Alright? Those are the pastors. See physical side now. The pastor asked me what's my problem. Remember you just talk to God about your problem, you know. Man where you can't see, you know. And your problem you talk to him about, you know. What do you want to say? In a which way you want to say? And your problem you talk to him about. This is the pastor here does. Come ask me what is my problem. I'm going down in a detail. What you do different from when we do so physical?
Well, but you know how to tell pastor that God you tell the problem. God you tell the problem to pastor. Pastor can't help you. See? I ever tell pastor, say, boy, pastor, when you pray for me. When you pray for me that I can get successful in life. That's all I can tell pastor say.
Nothing where you can get successful without that this. Tell him don't want no dust, man. Pray till God come. But you never will see.
Nothing way you do, you can't be successful without the money. That is true. Because money is the root of all evil. See? So, without the money,
I don't all evil, man.
money is the root of all evil.
Money can all things they want.
Money good and money bad, man. That's why them say money is the root of all evil. See?
But money.
Money better have things and money better lose things.
You can't buy your life, but you can't take your life.
Money better lose your life and money better you can't make life with it, but you can't have a lot of things.
Yeah, really.
I better lose your life.
Alright.
So money is the root of all evil.
You know why we look on it, sir? Because I'm showing you that way. But if you have the bucket over here, so with the water every day, and the man from over there, so come take the bucket of water from you, and use army and lock off you can't get another water without you buying. With the money where him give you.
I used to have to spend.
I used to have to spend back to buy the water. How smart are you?
The money where you have to spend back to buy water.
Of course, then I give the money.
I have to
And
spend.
in your land, the water there, you know, sea water there in your land.
Yeah.
Your land is
Because your land is full of water.
Him left from over there, so come. Yes, and see your water. See your water. Your water in your land, you know.
And take your
come
water and sell
take
back your water.
and give one piece of paper for you buy back your own water. How smart are you?
My clever are you. You can't do it and I collect feed. They're more clever.
That's why I mean, say the way, say water we shouldn't so high. Because water not come from nowhere.
Water rate
Like
of
water
eye.
that come from there.
Water rate of eye, Babra. Water rate of eye, don't black man under pressure. You know, I sit down and talk about boy who can't get water. That is purpose, lack of the water. Purposely. Two little things talk on the parliament side, on one side, and one man go over water comes and pussy come from around. So look how the water for tree. What I'm telling you, man.
Yeah, like that.
Money have
The liberal club Jamaica, I'm going to tell me no foolishness, you know.
money have to
Like you don't live here, you know.
money have to come here without you to have
And some shop up, bah! Jamaica, we live in study Jamaica inside out. And this is true, the people that have white attitude and white mind make all of them things happen. If you was black man, none of them something you not go on. Why you sit, if you not like certain condition, why you sit down and watch a TV? And like when man dead by gun, why you sit down and watch a gun show? You don't promote it. You don't promote it physically, but you promote it mentally. Same thing with the
That's why some country, the European television, them not in it. Show them people the gun show and the war thing and this and.
Fuck the man of Jamaican people. Where think I fuck with? I will learn to see Cowboy Club. I'm an young old worse than American and England and
That's why
European.
Jamaica adapt American and the European
You're not
style.
gonna where your tongue is.
Sure, they're there.
If you live in England, you run by Germany. If you live in America, you run by Germany and Russia. Don't let them fool them. And Germany and Russia are the whole world. Don't let them fool them. I see them going. You see them a mash up Russia? I wish I see them mash up.
Ukraine.
Oh, go on. All these fools they see coming talking about them don't know fuck what them are talking about. Them just want notice everything when they're afraid. They're afraid of nothing they can't see. They talk to God more than they talk to yourself. Fool no fuck, Jesus, who that?
Where say them though?
Them don't know nothing.
Where say that go?
Talk to God more than you talk to yourself.
So who them be talk to?
Yourself. That's why they're so backward. And if you don't talk to yourself, everything will...
No, come here.
Yeah.
Where you see them? Where you see them?
Yeah.
People talk to God more than them talk to themselves.
Yeah.
So true them talk to God more than talk to themselves, them fool.
Yeah.
Why you say that?
Who is God?
God is the Almighty, the
That's what
Creator.
them tell you in a book. So prove that for yourself. From today.
So God is the man with your life, with your life, you know.
Hold on, brother. Hold on, first thing me
Who
can...
better this, Satan?
First thing me can tell you this. If me go for the first man about on earth, him come see earth. Him not see God. Him not see what make it. That way in my history. Not in a European history where they tell you about God make the earth in a 7 days. In a 6 days and the rest by 7. No, bullshit. Bullshit. Fuck you. No man. Every man. Them change everything to man. Through them a batty boy, them change everything to man. God a man, son of God a man, and the spirit is still God. So where woman there? No woman there in any good. When you go down to Alkebulan before, these batty boy come and change it to Africa. Before them come and change it to Africa. Is a woman always upon that throne, always see that sit down on it, is a woman figure upon it. I see that the first straight. I'm carrying the first Italian come live in a palace. So I mean, them become bubble here, chat, them know history. Talk to me, man. So when them talk and them talk about Africa, I say Africa, if you talk about Africa, you're a traitor. You have to talk about Alkebulan. And when you talk to me about Alkebulan, I go look further back. There was no
So
Jerusalem.
who is Alto Ebola? What is Alto
That's the
Ebola?
original name of the place. Alkebola.
Africa?
Yes.
Alkebola.
Alkebola.
Alke Bola was the original name for Africa.
Right.
So when the name changed from Alke
When the
Bola,
Germans them raid with weapons and take over the place,
they call it Africa.
them call it Africa. The boy named Cristiano Africano. He's a German.
Cristiano Africano. Cristiano Africano is the boy from Germany that go and take over. With the first name?
That's why you rule under Christian.
Come now man, the name again. When we got the name done. We forgot the name of more, you remind me upon the name because I want the people them to listen to this thing and hear the name, you know. What African name before?
Alkebola.
Alkebola. Alkebola. That was the name of Africa, where Africano from Germany raid Alkebola and take it over and change the name from Alkebola to Africa. But understand now people? Yeah, continue on my boss.
So anything got church, you're a liar.
Yeah.
Anything go to church. You see, them use a psychology to make you use your own mouth until your ears lie. That's why you go to school, you go to church, any institution you go in, you do three things. You look, you listen, and you repeat. There's no man in the university that is educated. We are all indoctrinated. I'm out.
No one in the universe is educated. They are all indoctrinated.
Can you do what them tell you to do? So you're indoctrinated, you follow somebody.
You don't do it for your
You
own.
don't do it for your own. So once you're not doing it for your own, it's not educated.
You go get now.
So if the man say 2.2 is 19, you also say 2.2 is
Anything you
19.
go follow.
So what you know? What you know if the man say 2.2 is 19? And them say x multiplied by y equals z. What the fuck is that? But them find a way how to confuse you if you tell you how to work out this thing. You know what thing your brains burn from learn all of them. 2 plus 2 equal to 2 and 8 equal 12. You sure about because you see 8, 2 and you know see that? You see that? What is x plus y plus this plus 2 over this way? What is that? So in everything, Genius, if you burn your brain. So every time you go study that, you
When them
forget
call it
to-
again, when them call it again, when them call it like a farmer maths again,
No, you-
forgot to them call it maths again. Yeah, because usually the maths kind of puzzle me still
What
because
is inside
you have to know what is x, you have to know what is x, algebra, so yeah, you have to know what is x and you have to know what is y, you have to know what is a, what is z. See me? And so basically that's why I'm coming that algebra
Watch it,
already.
watch it, watch it. Oh!
Yeah, man. Yeah.
These clowns are celebrate.
Yes, man.
These clowns are celebrate. Watch this now.
What are you going to do?
If you
are
were-
going to do?
I want. So your crew come and your mother say God and your mother say that's why you will repeat that. And them said to repeat that. Them don't have no meaning. You see, through war going on, it's so much thing here. Them are show, so much thing that come Africa come show you having them palace down at Russia. And them are show you some things in a Russian museum with them. And England museum with them take from Africa. All of them things that them are show you. Say this is Black Jesus. That is the fucking name where them forget to read that. Jesus. No black man no name so. And all these fucking Americans who are sitting and talk every day about them and spread this propaganda name. So the Caribbean people take it up and the whole Africa take it up, guys. Them spread the propaganda name.
So Jesus, the name Jesus is a propaganda name.
Yeah, propaganda. And then put it on TV, this big food, 2 big one of them this big fool movie them.
What them not left? Now let me carry a cigarette.
They said broke out, the movie them. Black people have the fool movie them. And I portray white people them image and I go on them bag of fuck. Right, that's it. So, them usually adapt English. Them never know the English people, they was at the tall fuck and them, they was, them see them first dressing, but English people them take over. So the real meaning for queen is whore and the real meaning for queen is father.
The real meaning for
Queen is whore. The real meaning for king is father. So there's a lot of things them hide. The first Queen Elizabeth, check it.
Wait. The real meaning for queen is whore. You see that in the dictionary?
Queen of War, man.
Don't talk to you, no brother.
Queen of War.
Just for some little fiction we never put up now about Queen and sit down and show. None of them stuff there we them take them from King Ralph and sit down on it. So all of them things with me and talk about, you never too old for learn, you can go look it up. It's worse if you have some little son who don't talk about any king. Tell them to look up anything on them.
Yeah, man. Boss, they're not no more,
That's something that my father like drinking. Something about this one. How will you, man? Brandy, yeah, my father like drinking.
You like it.
That was a good shot. Good shot, man. See a brandy there, a good shot.
So they mix brandy with now.
You can mix it, yeah, you can very juice or water. You can't drink it, you can't drink it, you drink it, you want.
Where you mix it? Yeah?
Someone don't drink it, say
You say that in a special too?
My father not drink it.
No, drink this up. Like good for something. Brandy, I think we're good for something.
You want to go up on a yacht, you want to go up, and you come and talk.
Let me start off change the idea.
I said, man,
You like our refrigerator?
Every gear I change,
everything has changed, man.
every gear I change. You want to run, we get brandy.
That's how
You
I
want
go,
to go, we get go. Gear change.
That is all the game. The game, man. Still a dream. Still a dream.
Why you full of it? I like how you're raising still. Yeah, I like how you're raising still. And it's like,
No, what is not? The only somebody never exists in Africa, white people. You can never look on a pyramid or nowhere in African history and say a white man on a pyramid. And nowhere in history. You see Chinese man's sculpture face, you see Japanese, you see Indian, you never see a white man face.
278.
That's why they meet every other nation. I want control every other nation. And the only nation that have no food, no fruit and no fucking animal. That's why they want you control everything with money, with piece of paper. So all of these dunces where them turn in a Christian and them make it a work.
yeah.
Notice we're the only nation that build nothing. Just go and buy. That's why life is so hard, guys. Buy blood clot, buy till your blood clot, dead. And when you're dead, your father buy you out of the hospital. And when you go in the MRI, you buy you again. And carry you myself, buy a ride. And put in a one little house, you buy a coffin.
Buy your house.
Blood clot, everything.
Buy a wall.
Buy a house, man. Buy your house, man. Buy a whole of your house, you know. And you're not a whole house.
You look like a fake or whatever you
I know they look a boy that's a
and you will stay there, brother.
look a boy they just a fucking fool. Otherwise they are fake.
But I think them don't want real sense. Because if we start you now, them hear you there so every day. And we attack sensible like how they attack sensible now. Think you want to hear that?
I can't even go watch
If them see me start go back to country and start plant food and start go back in the wine and start plant. Money dead round here, man.
Yeah, man.
Fuck down, man.
They know
And there's
what,
little
man.
parasite named Christian a bad mind. Notice that them bad mind. And all the way them say God love them. Notice that them pussy, all the little Jesus and God people and what's going on. They my biggest thief in the whole place. That are no black man. That is white people actions and doings where you adapt. So you start talk English now. I start serve Christopher Columbus and all kind of these things. You read one Bible and see John, Peter and Paul, them are black people. But your mind tell you say a black people English name and say a black people. I mean I hear that then man. And the American fuck face them. Let them make this come out so I make it look like yeah, all this is true. Fuck it. Big Illusion TV. You see it now, them captivate you more now because you can't just punch in your TV more and watch a suck show. And the suck show just come up and you just gone and you more watch out for Bill Gun. And you just talk on your phone. How you Bill Gun? And you see it just come up. And them show you how to Bill Gun. White man principle, brother. You're fucking white man.
One sec.
You're fucking white man. I sit down and talk about worst thing about a black man. Him sit down. He make it look like white man cannot die. White man and God, white man cannot die. Them got church in praise white man. Them have a play football in praise white man. See me run out on the field. Big Catholic sign over and who that? Who that? All of them boys that play for money and going on back in the day. They'll go them put him down deep front and all this stuff.
You're not going to play my game like one time.
I don't put him there.
They said one down in there on it.
How much you see it?
37.
Oh my God.
Oh, big bag, some cigarettes.
Yeah, I'm not telling that, man. I fight now. I'm trying to fight that boy. Chippy, I'm not telling that, man.
Cut up the 20.
Yeah.
Give me 20.
You get 100 too?
No, give me 20. Eh? The woman just passed. I mean, the woman argument is this. The woman say her husband gets strokes. See? And he was a what? She's Christian?
Yeah.
So he was Christian. No, she a Christian and him is a rum barist. Yeah. Yeah, man, me, my bigger brother there. You see? Yeah, man. Go over there. You see? Yeah. So, the woman says she is a Christian and her man is a rum barist. But he is a good person. Because he usually deal with her good and treat her good before she becomes Christian then. Put it away then. See? Yeah. So, he usually, treat her good. Go buy her, you spend good money on her and things. So she has a good man. See? So
Chinese restaurant.
Chinese restaurant. Chinese then.
Old Up Road.
Okay, up a Old Up Road. Okay.
Before is a tax office.
Which one tax office that?
One hold up here, so.
Try me what kind of restaurant? China restaurant?
No, I said me, try me restaurant.
Try
Just
me.
just try me.
Try me, I don't even know the restaurant there. Where the side of tax office, look over the side of Erica Road, so?
Yeah, before you Erica.
Oh, what I can okay. Oh, I know my past the restaurant of the show, try me. I don't never go in there yet, eh? It's expensive. Ah, so when the lady I said that our man spend good money on her, he usually support her before she even married him. See? And at 29 years now they married. And they say them even married before them have a child together. See? Them even married before them have a child together. So my dear my people, so alright my people, hear this now. The woman, remember the woman said her husband, after them married, you know, the man take it to rum bar. I don't know what kind of depression or stress, but he take it to rum bar and I drink pure rum and so forth. And she beg him, as a Christian, she beg him to stop drinking the rum and so forth. But she not leave him because she knows say a good man. So she not left him. See? Remember, you know, she a Christian, you know. See? And her man, her husband, because she married, you know, and him still a go a rum bar, you know. See? But say she not left him because he's that good man. People not listening, you know. See? The story not gone away yet. She say after the married and him a drink the rum now and I go on. She beg him say, boy, stop drink rum and come to church and support. And him a drink rum, I go and tell him get strokes. Drink the rum till him get strokes. Now you hear the lady say, her husband drink rum till him get strokes. Alright. I don't know how true that can be. See, because I know people that drink rum years and I get no stroke. See, but some form of sickness is there why him get strokes otherwise. I can't do rum. See, must some high blood pressure, high depression or something. See, but him get the strokes. See me I can't do rum. But she say him drink rum until him get strokes. You see, after him get the strokes, she say one side of him dead. The left side of him dead. In the process of him left side of him dead. Him hood dead. No service. She can't get. And he said she don't cheat on him. For how much years?
29 years.
29 years. The woman said she don't cheat on him. The woman said she look after her husband.
Right, and Papa
The right and proper way and bring back him own. She said right now, it should have a work properly. So she take care of him and bring him back, put strength in it and bring him back. And have that man now, same way.
Yeah, give him good tonic.
Give him good tonic and feed him body and make him have strength and make him nerves settle on. And take good care of him. And know that man will after him dead and have sex with his wife. People hear me say, that man will after him dead and him put the dead in the process of the strokes he get. Now he might have sex with his wife. All in the process of his wife taking good care of him. I hear me say, my people, the woman said she not left the man. If it was some woman in a situation like that, what do you think them would do?
Can't left him.
What you say, my brother?
Can't left him.
What you say, Daddy B? Alamakosiko, the people. Yeah, yes, brother. Anyhow was a different woman. She gone left him in the condition where me now. I say once him in that condition and not get no good care, him would not come back. See? But due to all this woman is a good woman, the God bless woman.
Not leaving.
The woman take care of her man. Up my friend, up my friend. See? The woman take care of her man and bring back her man to perfection. My people, woman, I want to hear this, you know. A woman out the road. See? And I want some man to hear this to have them people. See? And I get up every day and I give them sugar and water. I give them lemonade. See? I give them tongue. See? And I buy Kool-Aid. And I mix Kool-Aid give them. See? You have some woman who have them man. And them there with them man. And the man I give them good sex. Strong sex. See? And all them give them man is Kool-Aid. Tongue. Them now give them man no farmer juice. Whatsoever for build the man body. You see me? Them now give the man nothing at all potential towards him to build him. You see me? So this is the whole thing about it, my people. See? The woman take care of a man. And them woman you know nowadays have man have good man too, you know. Good man. We take good care of them, give them anything in the world. But look at depression take the man. Depression may take the man, because I know with depression because I tell you this, man. Yes, every man sex drive work off of them mind. Every man sex drive work off of them mind. And if a man mind not strong, him not have a strong sex drive.
Good evening.
See, good evening.
Someone else I think you're not being shots, you know.
Oi. Yeah, you talk with people. So, the whole argument when I talk about is basic say. Yeah, my people. As me I say. See? As me I say, my people. But they are sit down and the lady just pass and talk. But me I tell them, my people, as the lady I say, the conscious part about the argument. The whole conscious part about the argument, the woman have a man. And a man gets chokes. And he would dead as just the woman said. The woman said, a man would dead. And she stick with him. And she bring him back. That now she and him having sex. And she never cheat on him. 29 years.
You know that woman have another life?
Where is that?
That woman have another life to live.
Another life. For real.
Here to speak, we have another life. Eternal life to live.
Eternal life. For real, man. A blessed woman that man. For real, man. The man, a woman is a blessed woman, man. Because me I tell you, man, no woman now sit down with them man. Catch choke and now sex. Them gonna find man.
And it is still working. Hallelujah.
It wasn't working and now it start to work. The woman bring back her man.
Listen.
Them woman nowadays now do that. Me have to preach on it. God don't have to keep and talk about it.
Said she have the life in eternal.
Yeah, she have a life, yeah. Yeah. You know, me sorry, my people. At the time when she there talk, can me say it to her, you know. And I say, Mommy, I'm sorry we never take up my phone and I blog you. Because God knows where you talk, a reality, and we don't want the woman and the whole woman out
Just giving it to you
straight.
He's not coming back and going back. I'll tell you what it is. Tell you what is happening. And what takes place. Straight. Without a doubt.
She don't worry about nothing.
Giving you straight power. I love that.
Yeah, I love that. She just come straight forward and talk. I don't say with that question I ask her.
No. Just give it straight.
Straight.
No, but if no but. Go. That is life. And that is what we call topic.
Alright, next thing I say, that is the type of woman man them want. Man for having in them life.
Every one of us.
Everyone of us as man for have a woman like she.
No, you talking.
She's oh my God, have mercy, man. She's a wife material. She a wife material.
Oh,
Every time, man, me I tell you, man.
slowly. What more woman need? What more could you need? No, you're gone. You're still here.
All them women nowadays, all they spend them mind, all them think about is just money. And have a man who can give them a strong sex. But them never think about in them life, say. Them want the man where I give them the strong sex, but them take good care of him. That when them catch a 60-year-old like myself, yeah, them can continue to give them woman sex. You see? That is the whole thing about it. That is the whole thing about it, my people. Why the music has started now cannot disturb me. Why I'm going to cut it and cut the visor now. I see the video you know. But it's not a TikTok. But it's video and say TikTok and the music are playing.
Okay.
Now we can put it up on TikTok for the music. Yeah man, people, see it? Yeah.
Clean.
Yeah man. Yeah. Come up, come so.